to reclaim the true seat, which is the consciousness itself. And the nature of the consciousness is conscious and empty. To see your true self, you have to empty yourself. And right now, who you are is ideas and experiences. And holding on to the idea and experiences is to avoid the truth of who you are. And the more you avoid the truth of who you are continuously, you're prolonging your struggle, you're prolonging your fear, you're prolonging the mental and emotional drama. So, give self-inquiry a chance. If you give a self-inquiry chance, you will succeed in seeing the truth of who you are. Because this self-inquiry journey is about being thorough of yourself, thorough of your mind, to see the nature of the mind, how the mind come into existence and how you cling onto the mind. Seeing the nature of the mind will help you to let go the stubborn mind. You start to loosen your ego. It prepares you. And if you stay in the self-inquiry, if you don't give up, you continue to be in this relentless inquiry, your effort will not fail you to see the truth of who you are. Okay? Again, it's about being thorough. Thoroughness will help you to see what are false in you and what is true in you. And the answer you're seeking in the spiritual journey is you. You are the answer, and that answer is consciousness itself. Again, the nature of the consciousness is conscious and empty. You are that. Okay, I hope this video makes sense. Again,